welcome. So now this is our Wiki Digitals. So I just want to show you the course interface. Immediately after you actually would enroll for this course, you're going to have an access to this student platform here, and it is more like a course area, just like you can see from my screen. So from this place now, you're going to have access to all the content in this web design course. Now to start with, so you can see that I'm having a lot of couple of let's say practical video tutorials here. So the first one, I'm going to introduce you to the platform itself, and as well the web design concept in this particular first video. So as you can see, let me just play it so that you can hear. Okay, so as you can see, it's a functional video. Okay, it's working. Is that okay now? So then from there, we are going to actually consider how to actually create an header and footer. Okay, header and footer, all websites, any website you want to build at all, especially the business website or any form of website. So you should always have an header and footer. So by the time you actually enroll for this training, you are going to learn more about that in this particular web design course. Is that okay now? So the next content is how to actually create an authentication system, which is very important in all website. Okay, you understand? So this just to check, especially whenever you want to create a membership website, so you want to make sure that people actually would sign up in that particular website, log in and log out. So that's what authentication website is all about. So I'm going to play that so that you can listen, you can see. So all these are active videos. So I'm going to teach you how to create all this. Is that okay now? Then from there, we are going to actually consider how you can create or add a chat box add-on to your website. So this is one of the powerful features. Let's say for example, you build a business website for somebody or for a client. So now you really want to actually you want that particular client to always get customer feedback, and customer can always fill them back either via maybe filling out their forms in their website or via a chat box. So you're going to learn these powerful features as well. Let me play the video. So as you can see, so all these are what our video tutorials are going to have access to. Is that okay? Now I decided to show all these things so that you are going to know what you are up against before actually making your payment. So I love transparency so much. Okay, do you understand now? So that's why I'm actually showing you all this. Then how to actually, the next thing is how you can actually add forms to your website. I've just explained that. Just that maybe let's say for example you want to collect some basic information from the customers, like their phone number or their full name or their address. So in this particular section of the video, we're going to talk about that. So as you can see, so they are all functional. Then last part is that I'm going to teach you how you can actually add some text animation to your website. Okay, so text animations. Okay, maybe for example you want more like a design, you understand, it makes your website more professional, you understand. So animation simply means you want to move the object in your website. Let's say maybe if it may be text object, it may be image object, or whatever features or content you are having in your website. So that's what animation is basically all about. Is that okay now? So now as you can see, all this one are functional. You can see I've played the video. So these are those things you're going to have access to. Now you can actually create a single page website. Is that okay now? So mind you, all these tutorials you can actually use either laptop, you understand, you can use either laptop or your smartphone phone. Then is that okay now? Then for this particular section, I'm going to actually teach you how you can create a landing page website. Is that okay now? Landing page website, more like maybe a portfolio or a landing page website. So via another powerful tools I'm going to show to you here, there's a particular platform I'm going to be using. So I'm going to show you. So in this particular video tutorial, you're going to have access to that particular platform, and I'm going to guide you on how you can actually get started. So let me just play it as usual so that you can listen. So as you can see that, so all these one are actually functional videos. Then this is just the continuation. Is the continuation of how you can actually build that particular website. So see, you have a lot to actually learn. The course is well loaded. Is that okay now? So you also have a bonus section, and I'm going to also teach you how you can actually maybe design a professional logo. You start, maybe for example you may actually collect let's say you secure a particular project on how maybe you want to help a particular client to design or develop a website. So most of these businesses actually needs a professional logo. So instead of actually taking this thing out to maybe graphic designer, beginners. So just consider this as an added advantage to yourself. Is that okay now? So I'm going to teach you how you can use another powerful tools, okay, graphic design tools to actually what great logo for such businesses. Is that okay now? So just consider this as a two-way income for you. You're collecting money for what? For the web design, and as well for designing professional logo for these businesses. So I'm going to teach you, okay, in this particular section of the video tutorial. So let me play it as usual so that you can actually see that all these videos are actually what functional. So you can see that. So all these are functional then. So now the bonus section is that I'm going to grant you access to unlimited web template. Is that okay now? Many web templates that is available. You stand, I'm going to, in which you can actually what pick and use depending on the type of website you actually want to build, either the portfolio, landing page, or business website. So all these are available in abundance. Unlimited web template is available. So these are those templates that my student actually use quickly, and within few minutes you are done actually with designing a website. You understand? Remember, all what you need is just your smartphone. Even though you don't have a laptop, you are good to go. With your smartphone you can do all this. Is that okay now? Then the second bonus is that you actually would have an access to our support platform immediately you enroll for this particular course, which simply means you are not left alone after actually maybe enrolling for the course. I'm not just a type that's going to actually just give you grant you access to a particular course and I won't hold your hand through and to make sure you actually get all the concepts right. So far that you actually was serious to learn, then just consider yourself lucky for you to actually enroll for this particular web design course. So we have a particular support group on WhatsApp. So I'm going to actually you're going to have an access when you click on this button. Now this button is going to take you to the group. Is that okay now? So that's just it, and a lot more you're going to still actually enjoy in this particular web design training. So now all what you need to do now is just to actually make a payment for the enrollment fee. So you just actually pay for the enrollment fee for this course, and you're going to have access to all these particular features I've shown to you. All right, so that will be all for now. See you inside the training. Thank you.